Solve x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals to 0. We're solving this quadratic equation using the formula method. The formula method is another method for solving quadratic equations. And so the formula method states that x is equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. The formula method is used or can be used to solve all types of quadratic equations. And so we are going to do that here now. We're solving this problem using the formula method. So what you need to know is to understand this formula. It's a formula. Once you know the formula, the next thing to do is to substitute. So let's understand the formula. Now the formula method is derived from the general quadratic equation, which says ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. A represents the coefficient of x squared. And so if you need to get your a in this equation, that will be the coefficient of x squared here. And the coefficient of x squared here is 1. A b is the coefficient of x. And so here, a b will be the coefficient of x, which is minus 7. As see here, this is representing a constant term. The constant term here is plus 10. And so with this, you have the value of a, b, and c. But for other quadratic equations that are not rearranged in this way, then the first thing to do is to rearrange so that it is equal to 0. What I mean is, imagine you have a problem like x squared equals to 7x minus 10. The first thing to do here is to rearrange it so that it is equal to 0. And so this would be x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals to 0. With this, you can get the values of a, b, and c, and then you substitute in the formula. Alright, let's move on. The problem we have here is x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals to 0. So at this point we have the value of a to be equals to 1, the value of b minus 7, and c is plus 10. So we're going to substitute this in the formula. So let's do that. X is equals to, you have a minus here, so that's minus. The value of b is minus 7, so you create a bracket to separate that sign, plus or minus the square root. B is minus 7 squared. We have minus 4 times a, that's 1, times c, 10. Everything we have here divided by 2 times a is 1. And so we then evaluate this expression. X is equals to minus times minus, that is plus, so we have plus 7, plus minus the square root of minus 7 squared, that gives us 49, plus 49, minus 4 times 1, that's minus 4 times 10, minus 40, all of these divided by 2. So we can then get the value of x. X equals to 7 plus or minus 49 minus 40, that's 9, divided by 2. So x is equals to 7 plus or minus, the square root of 9 is 3, divided by 2. And so what this means is we have x equals to 7 plus 3 over 2, or 7 minus 3 divided by 2. And so x equals to, this is 10 over 2, or 4 divided by 2. And finally, we have the value of x to equals to 5 or 2. And so with this, we've solved that equation using the formula method. And the values of x are 5 or 2.